there everyone, how we doing today? Today we're going to do a combination of roasted chicken and pulled chicken. I'm using a whole chicken roaster here. Got it covered up here, just trying to keep the flies out of here. What we're going to do first though is we want to dry this off best we can. Make sure you dry its armpits. Alright, get in there, dry it all off just like that. Then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take some of this rub that I have, put it all over the chicken, get it all nice and happy. Get some inside. Make sure you don't forget the armpits. Flip it over and get every place. Get it all over. Alright. We're going to flip it over again. Now, the fun part. I got here some garlic herb butter that I made the other day. I roasted up some garlics and mixed it with some butter, and then put some parsley in there. Take one big chunk, put it right underneath the fat, and shove it right in there like that. Take the other one, put it right in there, get all the way down inside there. But this, the butter's going to render down and it's just going to get everything all happy inside. Take another one. You might have to poke a little hole in the front there to get that. You're going to get in there as best you can. Alright, just like that. Take that butter, minus the plastic. Right on in there like that. Oh, that's going to be so good. Minus some technical difficulties. I got my smoker set here. I'm going to be smoking it at 225, and it's going to be going on for about 2 hours. And I'm going to smoke it right in the tray. What happens is as that butter renders down, it's going to give you a nice caramelization over top of that. Alright, well, we'll see you guys in about 2 hours. Reached about the 2 hour mark here, a little bit past the 2 hour mark. I've been spritzing with a little bit of the apple cider vinegar. Look at all that juice in there. All that butter, all the garlic in it, oh, just everything. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to wrap this up so we can build up a lot of steam. We're going to turn the smoker up to 400. And I want to build some steam up in here so this will start falling apart so we can make some pulled chicken. Take this, take the aluminum foil. Perfect. Measure twice, cut once. This is going to steam in there for about, I would say, between 30 and 45 minutes. And when we take this out, it should start to fall apart. They're going to make some really delicious pulled chicken. There we go. That's what it looks like, my friends. Look at that. Look at that nice rich gravy in there. First what we're going to do is we're going to pour this gravy off. Alright? Then what we're going to do is just like that. Alright, when we come back, we'll have all this inside the bowl and make these into some sandwiches. Okay, so we got this. Oh my God, this is just so good, so hot. Take these gloves off here. What we're going to do now is we're going to get a hoagie roll here. A nice big size. We'll take that in there. I'm gonna take some pickles. One there, one there. I'm gonna take some of that pulled chicken. Oh my God. Sauce, put it over top of it. Here's some extra loving. Okay. Well, I hope you like, subscribe, share this with your friends. And until next time, God bless and happy eats. Do you need to protect your barbecue this year? Well, protect it with the Bug Assault 3.0 at my Amazon store today.